Welcome to this video where we'll explore how to modify Crystal Report export Excel files using ClosedXML. If you've ever worked with Crystal Reports, you know how powerful they can be for generating reports. However, when it comes to exporting those reports to Excel, things can get a bit tricky. Specifically, have you ever encountered an exception when trying to save an exported Excel file? This is exactly what we'll tackle in this video. By the end of this explanation, you'll understand how to overcome this issue and successfully modify your Crystal Report export Excel files using ClosedXML. So, let's dive into the problem at hand. When you try to save an Excel file exported from a Crystal report, you might encounter an exception error. This is often due to the way Crystal Reports generates its Excel file. To resolve this issue, we'll be using ClosedXML, which is a powerful library for working with Excel files in .g. Net, but way, all calm, Peyton on church, The first step is to understand how Crystal Reports exports its data to Excel. Essentially, it creates a temporary file that contains all the report data. However, this temporary file can sometimes cause issues when trying to save or modify it. This is where ClosedXML comes into play. By using ClosedXML, we can open and manipulate this temporary file as if it were any other Excel document. To do this, you'll need to add a reference to ClosedXML in your project. Once that's done, you can use its API to load the exported Excel file. From there, you can make any necessary modifications, such as adding new worksheets or editing existing data. The beauty of using ClosedXML is that it provides an intuitive and easy-to-use interface for working with Excel files. For example, let's say you want to add a new worksheet to your exported report. With ClosedXML, this would involve creating a new instance of the Excel worksheet class and then adding it to the workbook. It's really as simple as that. By leveraging ClosedXML's powerful API, you can easily overcome any issues related to modifying Crystal Report export Excel file. To summarize, the key points we've covered in this video are the issue of encountering exceptions when trying to save an exported Excel file from a Crystal report, how to use ClosedXML to modify these files and avoid such errors, the importance of understanding how Crystal Reports exports its data to Excel. In modifying Crystal Report export Excel files using ClosedXML is easier than you think. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should now be able to overcome any issues related to saving or modifying these files. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the points discussed, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content on topics such as net development, Excel manipulation, and Crystal Reports. Your engagement is greatly appreciated.